passed by a motorcycle on each side of us. They must have been doing more than 100 miles an hour.
Gentlemen, start your engine.
I think that motorcycle's a little bit close.
Helicopters, whatever.
To the back
The
of
bigger
that car
story here is, of course, Sarah's belly button.
Go get him, baby.
So,
Motorcycles are all wearing pajamas. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're right, sweetheart. There was a lot of motorcyclists down there. That's what that big crowd was. Look at them all. Oh boy. Uh-oh. What they got doing? Oh, he's stopping traffic. You know, what that guy's doing is really illegal. One of the guys in El Cajon, Harley, one day got in trouble for doing that. He got pulled over by the police. See, because they're stopping traffic. See, this is against the law. You're going to miss your green light. There you go, Wallace. You know what mizu means in Japanese?
What?
Water. So that's the water Japanese cuisine and sushi.
Water. What do they serve? Water?
I don't know. What that guy doing? That's... Oh, he's not supposed to be passing like that. Did it save it?
Yeah. It's for bicycles.
Yeah, he's a bicycle, not a motorcycle. O mizu kudasai means, may I have some water please in Japanese. Ooh, that guy's really going too close behind that car. I would never ride that close. Ooh, and then he's gonna turn right in front of him like that. Oh man. But they're not supposed to be going that fast or passing like that on a curve. Go get him, babies! Go, baby! Go get him, baby! Go get him! Oh, good job, buddy. Good job.
That's going to be the same way it is in the playoffs. They are not going to mandate any bubbles. They're going to say, if your starting quarterback goes down with COVID, you're screwed. There you go.
Gentlemen, start your engine.
How much gas you got here, Alex?
3/4.
Okay.
Research
Fine.
See that?
Just like a dentist checkup, the same is true for your heating system.
Go get 'em, baby.
Besides, 18 points precision furnace tune-up and professional cleaning will save you money.
Ooh, good job there, buddy.
Dutcher's a little nervous this morning. I think that's probably something that's not a big surprise. Dow Jones currently down 220 points. That's almost a full percentage point. 30,862. S&P down 24 at 3821, and the Nasdaq down about a half a percentage point. That's worth 67 points at 13,328. We'll see what happens here as the market opens up again in about 4 minutes. Trump turned the Republican Party into the party of the people, and now the Democrats are the party of the rich. The Democrats are the party of the idle wealthy and of Wall Street. Quick timeout. Back with more in a moment.
Shutting down the liberals live. Rush on the EIB network. You're listening to Rush Limbaugh.
Might have been pulled out a little bit too far.
Gentlemen, start your engine.
You should have been paying attention. Listen to
Well, come on over there, buddy.
someone at NASA caught
Come on
wind of
over.
what they thought
You need
was
to
a
turn left up
meteorite
here.
crash.
Fallen one too many times. Feeling like it never ends. Back again, square one. Tried to leave myself behind. Looking for a better place, not to stay alone. Gain our trust and you chose to break it. Ask for truth but you only fake it. Thought you said what we had was sacred. It's all lies, all lies. I was broken and isolated, but inside held the fire waiting. Not a word that you say can save us, so don't try. Cause this time you crossed the line. Cause this time you crossed the line. Funny how the tables turned. Didn't think I'd go this far, but here we are, the end. Now you're just a lesson learned. A slowly fading memory, so I can breathe again. Gain our trust and you chose to break it. Ask for truth, but you only fake it. Thought you said what we had was sacred. It's all lies, all lies. I was broken and isolated, but inside held the fire waiting. Not a word that you say can save this, so don't try. Cause this time you crossed the line. Cause this time you crossed the line. This time you crossed the line. You crossed the line. You crossed the line. You crossed the line. This time you crossed the line.
Our gas is going to go up over $5 a gallon here.
131.
Real quick.
21.
It's going to go up. It's going to go up. Shit, it might even go up $10 a gallon before it's over.
Expressway crash there in the left lane, and traffic is jammed at the 15. You can use some surface.
Well, that's a big foot there. Did you see her running across the street before the cars turning left almost hit her?
Sponsored by the Exergen Temple.
What is that guy doing?
And you remembered to get dressed today.
What is that guy doing? I don't know. Don't know what that guy was doing. You don't want to be speeding out here on Coronado, especially in the mornings going to work. You don't want to speed on Coronado coming to work, and you don't want to speed on Coronado trying to get away from work. Never speed on Coronado. there. Coronado Police, look out! When they ever gonna learn?